Hi there, this is Rachel here at Subaru of Puyallup, here to showcase how to connect your phone to Bluetooth, Android Auto, and Apple Carplay on a 2023 Crosstrek Limited with the 8-inch multimedia touchscreen. So what you'll do, you start out by going to your Bluetooth and your settings, and you're going to go to settings here as well. Go over to the phone, and you scroll down on your phone to the bottom, add device. It's going to give you a code and a name here. Once it will pop up on my screen as Bluetooth. And then it's going to show me a code here and a code there. If they match, you confirm and pair. And I am now connected. To connect via Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, you'll need a phone cord. Plug it into the bottom of your phone. It's gonna come up as phone is locked. You allow. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I hope you have a wonderful day.